Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to change the sale badge color on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Online Store. On your current active theme, click the Edit Theme button to open the editor. Look at the left sidebar menu and click on the Theme Settings gear icon. From the settings list, click on Badges. Under the color section, find the sale label. You can click the color scheme options directly beside it to instantly switch to a different pre-made scheme. If you want to customize those colors further, simply click the Edit Scheme button next to the active color scheme to change its background and text colors directly. Finally, look at the top right corner of your screen and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the sale badge color on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.